How's it? It's Nick from HOLTS again. And on this week's episode, we're going to focus on some exterior work and the paint work in particular. So what we've got here is another Simoniz product, and it's a color restorer. Now this color restorer is safe for use on any color of paint, any car, any paint itself. And what it does is it removes all the oxidation, swirl marks, bugs, stains that your paintwork may have accumulated over the years. We're just going to take a little bit of the product. We're going to apply it to your cloth. And just apply it using even strokes across the panel that you're going to be doing. We're just going to let it buff to or let it haze up like you would with a normal polish. And you can see on the cloth that's already removed some of that oxidation and dirt that was on that paintwork. So where you've already polished, you just take the cloth and you buff it off, rub it out like you would do on a normal polish. It might be a bit difficult to see from where you guys are sitting on your couches, but this panel is already smoother. All those marks that we had here before are now gone.
Get it on now.